Welcome to Gossip, Tea, and Talk, where friends chat, laugh, and share stories. From cozy cafe talks to wild adventures online. Grab your cup of tea, relax, and let's dive into today's gossip and good vibes.
Max, I can't believe we're finally free tonight. Let's play something cool.
Yes, but what? Subnautica or Satisfactory? You always want the ocean, I want the factory.
Because oceans are mysterious, full of life and secrets.
And factories are logical, efficient, and beautiful in their own way.
Subnautica is art, man. You explore, you build, you survive underwater. Every dive feels like a dream.
Dream? It's more like a nightmare when that giant leviathan screams at you.
That's the fun part, adrenaline. You never know what's behind that coral.
Meanwhile, in Satisfactory, I build perfect conveyor belts and power plants. No screaming fish, only progress and order.
But your game looks like a spreadsheet.
And yours looks like a panic attack with seaweed.
Do you remember when I showed you that big submarine, the Cyclops? Yeah, you crashed it into a rock 5 minutes later. Okay, pilot error. But the view from the deep sea was amazing.
In my world, there's no crashing. I control everything. Machines, production, power.
Yeah. You just like feeling like a corporate overlord.
Maybe, but at least I don't drown every 10 minutes.
You just get lost in cables instead. Okay, let's be serious. We both like building, right? True. You build factories, I build bases.
You explore planets, I explore efficiency.
Efficiency doesn't glow in the dark, my friend.
Maybe not, but my generators don't bite.
Touché. But seriously, we could play together. Underwater Factory Challenge.
Underwater factory? That's chaos and rust.
Exactly. Controlled chaos, that's teamwork. You know, when I was a kid, I always wanted to be a diver.
And I wanted to be an engineer. Guess that explains our tastes.
Yeah, Subnautica is like childhood wonder. Exploration, colors, danger.
And Satisfactory is adult life. Schedules, production, organization.
So basically, my game is dreams, yours is deadlines.
Exactly. And that's why I win.
No way. Dreamers always win in the end.
Let's do this. You play Subnautica for 1 hour, then we switch to Satisfactory.
Deal. But you have to wear headphones and listen to every underwater sound.
Fine. But then you have to calculate factory ratios.
Ratios? I'm not ready for math trauma.
Too bad. Real gamers multitask.
Real gamers panic when a sea monster roars. You know what? Maybe both games are perfect. Yours for building, mine for feeling.
Yeah, you make emotions, I make logic. Together, we make balance.
Harmony and chaos, like tea and caffeine.
Let's play both. Subnautica Sundays, Satisfactory Saturdays.
Deal. And tea every night.
Tea, teamwork, and a little bit of gossip about who crashed the Cyclops again.
Thank you. And if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And please share this episode with anyone you know who is also learning English. It would mean a lot for me. And I love to hear from you. So please leave a comment below telling us about your day in English or any other topics you'd like us to talk about in the future. Read your comments and appreciate your feedback. So until next time, keep practicing your English and have a wonderful day. Bye everyone.